Hello everybody, my name is Ryan Esparza. This is my video code review number 2. I don't know if that's correct. I'm looking at the Canvas thing, but I don't think it says 2025, and I think we have had more code reviews than that. But besides that, um, I'm just going to go over, I have not implemented anything of my hash. I need to implement that. But I'll sort of cleaning up my technical debt um, for the things that I had previously missed on previous projects. So for project C, I needed like a contain function, which in container search, same thing, which I got implemented. As you can see, so I'm using a queue for my waitlist. My waitlist is basically potential customers that um, the window cleaning service could, you know, start have a business with. So we're needing to kind of store all the same variables, name, date, uh, price, the service type, and we'll get to that a little bit later. But the wait list is basically another data structure implemented as a queue, which is dynamic, so that means it's a linked list. It's a linked list implementation of the queue. Um, and then yeah, we basically for my search waitlist function, it's pretty chill with the pointers and stuff like that, right? We'll point our current pointer to the front. We'll ensure that it's not null because if it's null, that means it's empty. And then um, inside of my waitlist or my main menu function, case 8 or option 8 is the waitlist menu. So from there, it takes you and you go into another. I have it. Let me just show you. I have it implemented as another right here, another switch case, right? Um, and from here, there's, you can see with the little menu right here, there's do inside of the do while loop, you can see what the menu options are. And they can initiate a customer inquiry, right? Create, like, add somebody to the wait list. Um, and initiate, oh, I'm sorry, add customer to the wait list, and then there's the initiate customer inquiry, which is my DQ function, but we'll get to that next. Don't worry. Let me just finish my search. It's super simple, right? We just see what name that the user wanted to look for, and if it matches, we output in like how it's shown in the code there below. My one thing I'm having kind of, you know, stumped with is my DQ function, which basically, as you saw, is where we initiate a customer inquiry and we send them from the wait list to the service list, which is, where our clients are held, where we complete those jobs. Like these are active jobs. The wait list, not so much. Wait list is, potential customers. Now, the thing that I'm just trying to implement here is trying to figure out, well, one, you know, if they don't go with the job, I need something within this DQ function that prompts the user to say like, hey, is this person going with the service? Are they, continuing on? Because right now, how it works, it just sends them straight from the wait list to the service list, and that's not good because then they would have to basically go back into the main menu and select the switch case function that has them deleting a service record, which it just causes a lot more time, a lot more work. Um, when I can easily prompt them here. Now, my thing that I'm also trying to implement in the DQ function is um, trying to figure out if um, I can implement it so the user can change the variables of that service record by the time it goes to the service record structure. Um, because with potential customers, you may not know what job type they want. You may not know the price. You may not know, and then there would be no job status like in progress, scheduled, or completed. Right? There would be none of that. So I'm trying to figure out how to implement that into my DQ function so that way they can holy voice crack. So they can figure out or they can implement the variables that they would like before that object gets moved into the other list. Um, that's what I'm trying to work on for now. I actually went into the math center and got some really good feedback from the tutors as well, and so I do have a lot more. Hopefully, I'll implement that before the next code review. But that's currently what I'm working on. I know my hash function ain't there. I know, but we will get to that sooner than later. And just wanted to clean up my technical debt and show that I kind of cleaned up a little bit of my technical debt. But yeah, that is my code review. Thank you for listening.